Matinee Multilingual make the job of translating audio, video and multimedia content easy. Whether you need an e-learning voiceover script translated and recorded in over 80 languages, a corporate video transcribed and subtitled for YouTube, or the graphics, captions and animations in your video reversioned, Matinee Multilingual will guide you through the entire process. Take Microsoft. Their series of Hotmail videos needed to be localized for 55 international markets and in 37 languages. In partnership with the translation agency, Matinee cast and recorded the native voice artists, reversioned the animations, and re-encoded the videos in 6 different file formats. And because Matinee have a dedicated account and project management team, 3 recording studios and 2 video editing suites on site, the project was turned around in just 10 days. With over 25 years' experience in media production and language versioning, you'll find our service informative, friendly and affordable too. We'd love to hear from you. Matinee Multilingual, placing the accent on communication.